Scrambled eggs. Oh. Let me just show you quickly how I do my scrambled eggs. Simple, easy, high in protein, great in vitamin A. What could be nicer? So in a cold pan, put your 3 eggs and a knob of butter. You can use oil if you don't have butter or don't want to use butter. And get it on a low heat. I've got mine on setting 3 on my stove. And you want to break up all the eggs and the butter will start to melt slowly. You're going to need a bit of patience, but you don't want to cook it too quickly. You want to do it slowly. Just keep moving it. And as it starts to cook, as you can see, you can move it off the stove. The residual heat keeps the egg cooking, but you want to keep it moving all the time, all the time. Don't stop moving it, the egg in the pan. And again, put it back on the heat. You'll probably do this 3 or 4 times, or maybe even 5. But again, you want it to do it slowly and just keep moving that egg. Don't stop. And you know at the end of it, you're going to get this creamy, rich, beautiful scrambled eggs, so just keep going with it. And as you can see, I've got mine to the consistency I like. And a really good secret way of stopping the cooking process is to add something. You can add creme fraiche. I've just got cream, so I've just added a little bit of cream, and that instantly, because it's cold, it instantly stops the cooking process, but it doesn't take the warmth out of the eggs. You just season that up. You can add chives, you can add spring onions. Obviously it's great with smoked salmon if you have that. My beautiful wife made some pancakes earlier, so we're having our scrambled egg with pancakes. And there you go, that's my take on beautiful, luxurious scrambled egg. So have a go and see how you get on. Just remember to cook it slowly and keep moving it in the pan. Leave your comments below this video on how you get on and how yours turns out. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.